Hello and welcome to English Unlocked. I am Luna.
And I am Luca. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Today, we want to talk about something small, but maybe a little difficult.
Something small and difficult. That is a good way to say it.
Have you ever said something nice to someone and then immediately felt a little strange?
Oh, I know that feeling. Like, did I say too much? Did it sound real?
Yes, exactly. Or maybe someone said something nice to you and you did not know what to say back.
I just said thank you very quietly and looked away. That is my usual move.
That is very relatable, Luca. Today, we are talking about compliments, how to give them, and how to receive them.
Because it is not always easy, even in your first language.
And in English, sometimes it feels even harder, so we want to help with that today.
And we have some good examples, some useful phrases, and maybe one or two small embarrassing moments.
Definitely some embarrassing moments, so stay with us.
So, Luna, let me ask you something. When someone gives you a compliment, what do you usually feel first?
Honestly, a little surprised, even when I know the person is being kind,
Surprised? Why surprised?
because I am not always ready for it. Someone says, "Your English sounds really good," and my brain just stops.
Oh, that is funny because your brain is the one they are complimenting.
Exactly. And then I say something like, "Oh, no, I am not very good," and I push the compliment away.
That is very common. We push it away because we feel uncomfortable.
Yeah, and I think sometimes it feels strange to say, "Thank you," because we feel like we are agreeing that we are good.
So you mean it feels a little proud?
Yes, a little like. If I say, "Thank you, I know," maybe the other person will think I am not humble.
I understand that. But actually, saying thank you is not the same as saying I am the best.
Right, it is just being kind back to the person who was kind to you.
That is a nice way to see it, being kind back.
And when we push the compliment away, the other person sometimes feels bad, like their words were wrong.
Oh, that is true. I never thought about it from that side.
Me neither for a long time. But if someone tells you that you did a good job and you say, "No, no, I really did not," they might think, "Was I wrong?"
So we make them feel unsure when we push the compliment away.
Exactly. And that is not our intention. We just do not know what to say.
So what can we say? What is a simple and natural response to a compliment?
Well, the most simple one is just thank you. That is always okay.
Always, okay, even at A2 level, thank you is enough.
Yes, but if you want to say a little more, you can say, "Thank you. That is very kind of you."
Oh, I like that. It is short, but it sounds warm.
And it moves the kind feeling back to the other person. You are saying they are kind.
So you are not saying I am good, you are saying you are kind.
Yes, exactly. That feels easier, right?
It does. It feels less like you are talking about yourself.
Another one I use is, "Thank you. I am really happy you think so."
Oh, that one is good too. It sounds natural and a little personal.
Right, because you are saying what you feel in that moment. You are happy.
And that is easy for a learner to say. It does not need difficult grammar.
No, it is all simple words. I am happy. You think so.
Can we say it together, just so the listener can hear it again?
Of course. Thank you. I am really happy you think so.
Thank you. I am really happy you think so. Yeah, that sounds good.
But Luca, what about big compliments? Because sometimes someone says something really big and it is harder to respond.
Ah, yes, like someone says, you are so intelligent and you just want to disappear.
Yes, you are so beautiful. You are so talented. And you think, what do I do with that?
I usually say something like, "Oh, I do not think so," and then change the subject.
Which is the wrong direction. But I understand why we do it.
Why do we do it?
Because the compliment feels too big. It feels more than what we believe about ourselves.
And so we correct it. We make it smaller.
Right, but the other person said it because they really felt it, and we remove their feeling.
That is a little sad, actually. They were brave to say something nice, and we say no.
So what can we do instead?
I think we can just say, "Thank you. That means a lot to me."
Oh, I love that phrase. That means a lot to me.
It is honest. You are not saying, "Yes, I am very talented." You are saying their words are important to you.
And that is always true. When someone is kind, it does mean something to you.
Even if you do not fully believe the compliment, you can believe that the person was kind.
Yes, and that is what you are thanking them for.
That feels like a more comfortable place to be.
Much more comfortable, and the conversation can continue in a nice direction.
So now let us think about the other side, giving the compliment.
Yes. Because sometimes we want to say something nice, but we are not sure how to start.
I remember one time I saw a friend's photo online. It was a beautiful photo of her family.
And what did you want to say?
I wanted to say something like, "This is a beautiful photo," but in English I just wrote "nice photo," and that was it.
Oh, nice photo is okay, but it is a little short.
Exactly. It felt too small for what I really wanted to say.
What could you have said instead?
Maybe something like, "This photo is really beautiful. Your family looks so happy."
Oh, that is much warmer, and it is not difficult English.
No, it is all simple words, but together they say something real.
And I think that is the key. A good compliment is specific.
Specific, what do you mean?
If you say nice photo, it is fine. But if you say your family looks so happy in this photo, the other person knows you really looked.
You saw the photo. You did not just press like and move on.
Yes, exactly. A specific compliment shows you were paying attention.
So for English learners, the advice is do not just say nice or good, add one small detail.
Just one, you do not need many words. I love your bag. The color is beautiful. That is enough.
That is simple and feels real.
And the other person will remember it.
But Luna, what if I am not sure how to start? Like I want to say something, but the first word feels hard.
Oh, that is a very common feeling. You see something nice, but you wait too long, and then the moment is gone.
Yes, exactly. And then I feel bad because I wanted to say something and I did not.
A simple way to start is just, I really like, and then finish with the thing you want to compliment.
I really like. That is easy to remember.
Yes, I really like your jacket. I really like the way you explain that. Just 2 or 3 words to begin, and then the rest comes.
And even if the sentence is not perfect, the other person will feel the kindness.
That is the most important thing. The feeling, not the grammar.
Luna, can I tell you about one time when I gave a compliment and it went a little wrong?
Oh yes, please tell me.
So I was at work and a colleague was wearing a new shirt, a very bright blue shirt.
Okay, bright blue, I can see it.
And I wanted to say something nice, so I said, "I like your shirt. It is a very loud color."
Oh no, loud?
Ha ha, I meant bright and strong, but in my language we say loud for colors sometimes, and I did not know it sounds a little strange in English.
What did your colleague say?
He laughed and said, "Thank you," I think, with a question mark in his voice.
That is actually quite kind of him.
Yes, he was very kind, but I felt a little embarrassed after.
But Luca, that is a completely normal mistake, and your intention was good.
Yes, the intention was good, but the word was wrong.
So for learners, this is useful. In English, we usually say bright for colors, not loud.
Bright is safe. Loud can sound like a criticism.
And even if you make a small mistake like that, it is okay. The other person usually understands your intention.
Right. My colleague knew I was being kind. The wrong word did not change that.
That is a small but important thing to remember.
And one more situation. What about compliments about someone's English?
Oh, this is a big one because it can feel strange to receive this compliment.
Why strange?
Because sometimes the person giving the compliment means it very kindly, but the learner feels unsure. They think, is my English really good, or are they just being polite?
Oh, I know that feeling. Someone says, your English is so good, and you think, no, I make many mistakes.
Exactly. And so you say, no, my English is terrible, and now the conversation is uncomfortable.
So what is a better response?
Something like, thank you, I am still learning, but I enjoy it.
Oh, that is good. It is honest. You are not saying, yes, I am perfect, but you are not pushing the compliment away completely.
Right. You are accepting the kind feeling, and you are also being real.
Thank you, I am still learning, but I enjoy it. I will remember that.
And if you want to be a little warmer, you can add, thank you, that gives me confidence to keep going.
Oh, I love that, because it is true. A compliment can give you more energy to continue.
And you are also telling the person that their words helped you? That is a nice thing to hear.
Right, it becomes a small thank you inside the thank you.
And here is something I noticed. When you respond to a compliment about your English with a real sentence, that is also a demonstration.
What do you mean?
Well, if someone says your English is really good and you respond with a calm, natural sentence, they can see it is true.
Oh, that is clever. Your response to the compliment is also proof of the compliment.
Yes, you show them, do not just tell them. So, Luca, can we do a small practice together? Just a simple example, so the listener can hear the phrases.
Yes, let us do it. You give me a compliment and I will respond.
Okay, Luca, your explanation today was really clear. I understood everything.
Hmm. Let me think. Thank you, that means a lot to me. I was a little nervous.
Oh, that was very natural. The I was a little nervous part makes it real.
Because it is true, and now the other person knows something honest about me.
Exactly. A simple compliment became a small, real conversation.
Okay, now your turn. I will give you one. Luna, I really like the way you explain things. You always sound very calm.
Thank you. That is very kind of you. I try to speak slowly so it is easier to follow.
Perfect. And again, you added something honest, why you speak that way.
Yes, because it is not just thank you and goodbye. It opens the door a little.
And for the listener, you can use any of these phrases today, in a conversation, in a message, anywhere.
Even one is enough. Just one small change can make the exchange feel much warmer.
So to finish today, Luna, what is the one thing you want the listener to take with them?
I think it is this. When someone says something kind to you, they are giving you a small gift. Try to receive it gently.
Receive it gently. I like that. You do not have to say a lot, just say thank you and let the kindness land.
Yes, and when you want to give a compliment, be specific. One small, real detail is better than one big, empty word.
And remember, a little embarrassing moment, like my loud shirt, is not the end of the world.
No, it is really not. The intention is always more important than the perfect word.
Thank you for listening to English Unlocked today. We hope you feel a little more ready to give and receive compliments in English.
And if someone gives you a compliment this week, try one of our phrases. Thank you. That means a lot to me. Simple and warm.
We will see you in the next episode. Take care. Bye.